Assalamualaikum friends. Today I am going to show you how to make illustrations of pouring water into number of containers. From London Montessori Institute I am making. Now let's see. We need a mat, a tray, sponge, duster. We need a jug along with the holding of the jug. 2 fingers will be above the handle and rest 2 will be below the handle, and thumb will be this side. This is a jug I have made, and then I have cut out glasses to pouring water into number of containers. And now I'm going to cut out the tray and then I will show you. So now I have made a rectangle shape. Now I will be making it. I'm making it tray. So let's turn the corners for the tray. On all 4 sides we will turn the corners. You can see that all the 4 corners are curved for making the tray. Now let's cut out. Now the tray is ready. Can you see? This is the tray. We will put it on the mat. Okay, let's put it on the mat like this. We'll put a tray on the mat and then I will put the glasses and I will show you how to make the illustration. See, this is how we are going to paste it, but first we have to cut out the sponge from this one, a little sponge like this one. Now I am taking this piece of clothing and I am going to cut it in to make a duster, cloth duster for cleaning. Okay, so whatever the water exercises you are doing, you have to put the mat, the duster, the sponge, and there should be an apron. I will draw here as well. So we will put the duster over here with the sponge, and I will fix it like this, and I will draw water going into the glasses, and I will draw water over here also. This is the final look. Last thing I need to do is I will draw water coming down into this glass, and the rest is done. An apron, mat, tray, glasses, sponge, duster, jug full of water, pouring water into number of containers. In this way you can make your illustration. Okay, thank you.